Alright, what is up guys, this is Bhanutaj, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and sound, and now the time is around 7:30ish and we have one bad news today. All puja formalities are done to my bike. I vlogged about 7 hours that day, but the stupid GoPro didn't capture any audio guys. Literally that's hurting so much because that was a fun vlog with my friends. Can't help it guys, we need to just move on.
And we have 21 GB of useless files guys.
And right now it's raining, but I just decided whatever it is, we are going for a ride today. I'll see you directly on GoPro mode.
Alright, welcome back. Right now it just stopped pouring and I hope it'll stay like that. And from now on we need to use all these primitive techniques to mount all this stuff here, because we have plastics everywhere. Previously we used to have metal tank, so I used to just stick the tank back on that. Damn, what the. And right now I mounted my tank bag on the pillion seat because my mind is not allowing me to mount it on this beautiful tank here. And I need to check this GoPro before leaving whether it's recording the audio or not. And see all this dirt here, can't help it, welcome to monsoons. And by the way, I removed that ugly looking sari guard on my bike. I still don't understand what is the use of that sari guard here. I forgot my gloves here. Shit. Damn. And yeah, I was saying something, right? I still don't understand what is the use of sari guard on an ADV like this, which weighs almost 4 kilos, which is completely unnecessary weight and moreover useless, right? By the way, we need to refuel our bike here, and this is the second time I'm refueling my bike. 1100 కొట్టాను, పడుతుందో లేదో తెలియదు, ఆగిపోతే ఆపేసే. ఓకే, చాలు. Alright, we got full tank again, and still I didn't mention where I'm going, right? I'm going to Anantagiri Hills, which is the only beautiful spot around Hyderabad, which is around 100 kilometers from my home. It'll take at least 3 hours to reach there. Damn. Na auto anna jara jarganna. Oh shit. It'll take at least 3 hours to reach Anantagiri Hills with a slow pace. Anyhow, we don't have any other plans to do. This is the only job I have right now. My riding jacket is getting wet, so I need to wear my rain liner. Alright, let's roll. Damn, it started pouring properly yaar. I hope this rain doesn't hurt my GoPro. Anyhow, I've wrapped it with some tape and I hope it will work. By the way, this is my second GoPro. I ruined my first GoPro while riding in the rain. Right now I'm doing proper adventure on this new bike. It's just easy peasy. Damn, this rain. Literally, I don't know whether this GoPro is working or not. I need to check that by stopping somewhere. By the way, I was banging my head in the last video, right, for that mileage feature. That feature is there. Actually, what happened when I went to the showroom to get my TR number and I asked to the salesperson about that feature, and he simply said that that feature is not there. And I trusted him. But after watching my last vlog, one of my friends called me and explained about that. We need to set that in the settings. Literally, how people selling products without properly knowing about that. I just stopped here just to check whether my GoPro is working or not, and see the lovely weather guys, it's so beautiful. And today I'm not at all in a mood to wear this riding pant yaar, because it's so loose on me. Actually, on the day I bought this riding pant, I tried it by wearing all liners inside, so it was perfectly fit in the showroom. On the moment I tried it by removing all the liners inside, and it was just hanging on me. And it was semi-lockdown period, so I was unable to exchange this because of the pandemic situations. So I think I need to get new gear. But before everything, I need to get few important accessories for this motorcycle, especially that crash guard. Yeah, this fuel tank is so expensive. It cost us around 46 to 48,000 it seems. So I need to get that crash guard as soon as possible. Oh, see the wind blast happening here. Literally my bike is going sideways. It just crashed in the middle of the road. And by the way, having all these features is like a blessing, yaar. Especially this fuel indication and the fuel range. Only Royal Enfield people understand what I'm really talking about.
Right now I just stopped for a quick break and I was facing so many wind blasts on the way, and because of that I'm getting so many cramps in my neck, so I had to stop couple of times. And I think I'm about 50 kilometers away from the destination. It'll take at least 1 hour to reach Anantagiri Hills, and I'll keep you posted.
Damn, these winds are irritating me a lot. I know you guys are hearing so much of wind noise, but can't help it guys, this is how the situation right now. And so far bike is performing pretty well guys. I'm really in love with the power of this bike. I'm really done with riding like uncle with my old bike, and I'm honestly telling my childhood came back with this motorcycle. See this route guys, how beautiful it is. Whoa, see this lake? About an year ago when I came to this place, this was totally a dry land, and now it's almost on the top. And by the way, we almost reached the destination. It's about 4 to 5 kilometers from here, and we need to take a right from here. This way leads to Vikarabad, and if you ever come to Anantagiri Hills, don't forget to take left from here, right opposite to this temple. It leads to beautiful destination. I'll show you that in a moment. Damn, it started pouring heavy man, literally in a fraction of seconds. Let's find some shade. Whew.
Guys, it's pouring like next level, and I parked my bike over there and I'm totally wet in and out, and I'm covering myself under this tree. Literally next level adventures are happening here, and trust me, it's freezing out here and I'm just shivering inside. I'll keep you posted. Okay, this rain doesn't seems like end soon, so it's better to leave and explore the place instead of wasting the time. Ooh, it's literally freezing, man. And this is the route we need to take. Proper. My mind is not allowing me to do that, but okay, let's go. So okay, whoa, damn. Damn, this is what I'm waiting for all these years. Whoa. That was fun. Oh shit man, that's so deep, man. Literally that was so deep. And we need to go this side. Whoa, and this is the view I'm boasting about. I don't know whether you are able to see it or not. Man, this machine looks rad, especially in this weather with this beautiful background. Let's climb this wall. Whoa, damn, this is so beautiful, man.
Okay, let's move to other place called Sarpanpalli Lake or something. We need to find that. Oh God, help me. Whoa. Damn, let's go from inside. Whoa. That was fun.
Wait a minute.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Man, literally I lost my mobile somewhere. It was here and I just dropped it somewhere. I hope that didn't fall in that what it's called. Oh shit. Damn. God, please no. Damn. Shit, man. Okay, it's working. Sure. Actually, this case is waterproof, but still there is a gap here. Nice. Nothing happened. But let's do some precautions. Okay, nothing happened yet. My mobile is working good, and it's better to keep it inside. What the fuck, man? What just happened? Okay, one lesson I learned from this is to don't rely on this thing. Sarpanpalli eda ఎటు బ్రిడ్జ్ ఉంటుందంటే ఏడా రైల్వే కింద నుంచి పోవాలా స్ట్రైట్ వెళ్ళాలా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ పోవాలి కదా ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ Dude, literally, what if I didn't observe this jar? I would have literally lose my mobile today. Don't know whether this thing is working or not. I don't know what's there that side, but people are trekking towards there. Honestly, the feeling I'm getting right now is phenomenal. Sarpanapalli Lake. Sarpanapalli Lake. Where to go? Jaidupalli, Godum Kuda. I think it's this way. Okay. Okay. I think this is the route. Yeah. So we need to go through this tunnel. As per they described, we need to go straight 2 to 3 kilometers and we'll find a gate on the right side. It seems, I don't know. Let's see. And there is a lake on the left side. Sarnapalli project. Sarnapalli project.
Sarpanpalli.
Yeah, project a bridge रहता ना.
ये चलिए.
Straight Thank you. సర్నపల్లి లేక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ
ప్రాజెక్ట్ అక్కడనే అన్న.
ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువ చిన్న బ్రిడ్జ్ వస్తుంది ఎట్టది
స్ట్రైట్ వచ్చినా అట్లే స్ట్రైట్ పోతే ఇట్లా కచ్చి రోడ్ తిరిగి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మళ్ళీ
అటు సైడా లెఫ్టా
సైడ్
అన్న ఈ బ్రిడ్జ్కి ఎట్లా వెళ్ళాలి
అదే అది వెళ్ళాలంటే ఇట్లా పోవాలి
we need to go straight instead of taking right. Okay, from here we need to take left. Remember this fencing? We need to take left from here. Oh, proper off-road trail, man. Okay, I can see a lake in front. Actually, I don't find that bridge over here, but This place looks beautiful. Whoa, man. Okay. Oh, so much slush, so much. I was about to fall. I think it's not a good idea to go further. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, damn. I hope I don't fall. Okay. ఆంటీ ఇక్కడ బ్రిడ్జ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఆంటీ? ఒక చిన్న బ్రిడ్జ్ ఉంది, చూపిస్తా ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఇక్కడ ఏం బ్రిడ్జ్ లేదా ఇటు సైడ్? ఏడా అనుకుంటా, ఈ చెరువు పక్కకే ఉంది. ఏడైతే ఓకే, ఇట్లా స్ట్రైట్ పోతే కనబడుతుందా? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఫోన్లో కరెక్టే. ఓకే, సీసీ కెమెరా కాదు అది. Oh man, that was scary. This looks like a proper off-road trail, man. Whoa. Oh, shit. Man. Oh, damn. Oh, okay, this is definitely a bad idea. Literally don't know how people are going on a Splendor. Yes, this is the bridge I was talking about. Check out the location, guys. Whoa. Hey. Oh, damn. Okay. Oh, man. Trust me, this is so scary, guys. What was that sound? Thanks, Anna. Oh, damn, see all the dirt. It doesn't even look like a new one. This is what I wanted in my life. Let's leave the place. Arey jargra. Oh shit. Badass kids. Oh. Shit. See my boot.